OMG, it's Pam here, and I've just joined Flodesk and found out that they've got this new feature where it connects to Canva and you can edit directly. But don't listen to me, I'll show you exactly how it works. So cool. And if you want a 14-day free trial to come and check it out, then I'll have the link below. Come with me, you are going to love it. It's so easy. Okay, it's Pam here. Now this is only going to be a short video because that's how easy it is to do. I'm only new to Flodesk. I just joined in the end of September, and the exciting thing is, the reason why I joined is that I got into the unlimited emails and the unlimited subscribers, and unfortunately that is ending at the end of November. So if you're thinking about joining Flodesk, I highly recommend doing what I did and jump in. And if you want to get 50% off your first year, I'm a promotional partner, and I'll have the link in the description below. But today I want to share with you how easy it is to use to be able to add images that you create in Canva to your form. So you can see here that I already have a form that I've created for the launch of my new school, and so I created a demo version, so I duplicated it, so I had a demo version to show you how easy it is to use. So what you want to do is you can choose your form. There's lots of different types of forms to choose from, and then you can edit them as you please. So I chose one of the forms that was one of the options that I had, and then this is what the template looked like. I changed the words, and then I wanted to go and put an image in there. Now this is where the image would go, and if you don't have Canva, you can still upload from your computer or use Unsplash or Giphy, but I do have Canva. Now the first time that you go to use Canva to create your image, you're going to have to join your account to Flodesk, but you only ever have to do that once. Okay, so all you have to do is to go and get your design from Canva is you click on add a design, and then you find where your file is, and this is where my file is here. I've got a few different images in here, and it says choose which page to import. So you click on that, and I'm going to start with this one, and I don't know what it means by import as a GIF, but I'm only going to import it as an image. So import as an image, and it will bring it in, and then you can view it and see what it looks like, and if you're happy with it, you can just keep it as it is. So I go and have a look at it here. It doesn't matter that it's cutting off here, it's just because I'm filming on video. When you go and actually go and have a look at it, you will see that it looks perfectly fine. And if you go and have a look at it on mobile, then it's just the words here because I chose to turn the image off. You can have the image on if you want the image on, but I chose to have the image off. Now, if I want to edit this, I can go and edit it and make it smaller. So if I edit this in Canva and feel like I need this to be a little bit smaller, then you can come in here and edit it directly, and you can make it a little bit smaller if you want it to be a little bit smaller like this. And then you just go return back to Flodesk, and it will update the image. This is the part that I love the most. So if it's not perfect, imagine having to download all those images and re-upload and download and re-upload. No longer have to do that. You can edit it directly, and then I'll go and have a look at here, and then I'll go and have a look at the mobile preview, and that all works fine. And if you want to have a look at what it looks like on the outside, this is what it looks like on desktop. I just moved it around so it's because I'm not doing a full screen that it's squashed it up together. So this is what it looks like on the outside, and this is what I updated it to. So I'm going to give you an example like this. So we're in here, and now we're going to go and make it look like this one because I'm testing with me on the image or having an illustration. So you can split test, and so I'm going to go back and I'm going to edit. Now I've figured out if you go and try and change the image, it may just be me, it didn't seem to like me choosing another page. So what I found that worked for me is I just deleted the one that was there, and then I go and add design again. I go to the same one, choose page to import, and then I choose the second image in the document and it came in. So it's great if you want to edit to go back to the same design, but if you want to choose another design, just click delete, go in there and pick the next design, and you are good to go. And then you can have a look at what it looks like. That never changes because I don't have the image there, and that works perfectly, and it saves automatically, and you are good to go. So how easy was that? If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below.